Health enthusiasts, welcome back to the Healthful Hype channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of science and debunk some of the most prevalent myths. Today, we have an exciting topic with which many of us are familiar: weight loss. Have you ever wondered why some myths persist, even in the face of scientific evidence? Well, get ready to uncover the truth, because today we're going to explore the science behind weight loss and debunk those stubborn myths once and for all. We've all seen advertisements promising magical weight loss results with just a single pill. But let me ask you this: if losing weight was as simple as popping a pill, why are so many people still struggling with their weight? Weight loss is a complex process influenced by various factors, and it's time we separated the facts from the fiction. Let's start with one of the most common myths: carbohydrates make you fat. It's a belief that has been ingrained in our minds for years. But here's the truth: not all carbs are created equal, and demonizing them is an oversimplification. Carbohydrates are an essential source of energy for our bodies, and the key is choosing the right kinds of carbs and controlling portion sizes. When we talk about carbohydrates, we need to differentiate between refined carbs and complex carbs. Refined carbs like white bread, sugary cereals, and pastries have been processed and stripped of their fiber and nutrients. Consuming an excess of refined carbs can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and weight gain over time. On the other hand, complex carbs such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrient-dense options provide a steady release of energy, help keep you feeling fuller for longer, and support a healthy digestive system. So instead of completely cutting out carbs from your diet, focus on incorporating more whole foods that are rich in complex carbohydrates. It's also important to note that the quantity of carbs we consume plays a significant role. Portion control is key. Overconsumption of any macronutrient, be it carbs, fats, or proteins, can lead to weight gain. It's all about finding the right balance and being mindful of your overall calorie intake. To sum it up, carbohydrates alone don't make you fat. It's the quality and quantity of carbs in your diet, along with other lifestyle factors that contribute to weight management. So instead of labeling all carbs as the enemy, let's focus on making informed choices, opting for whole, unprocessed options, and balancing our meals with a variety of nutrients. Let's debunk the misconception once and for all. Women naturally have lower levels of testosterone compared to men, which makes it challenging to gain significant muscle mass. Instead of bulky muscles, what you can expect from strength training is a beautifully toned physique, improved strength, and enhanced overall fitness. Adding resistance training to your fitness routine can have numerous benefits beyond weight loss. It helps strengthen your bones, improves posture, increases your metabolism, and enhances your body composition. Plus, it can boost your confidence and empower you both physically and mentally. To clarify, lifting weights alone won't make you bulky. It's the combination of targeted nutrition, specific training programs, and often supplementation that professional athletes and bodybuilders use to achieve their muscular physiques. So, unless you actively pursue an intense bodybuilding regimen, incorporating weightlifting into your fitness routine will not cause you to bulk up. Embracing strength training doesn't mean you have to say farewell to other forms of exercise. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your goals and preferences. Incorporate a variety of exercises such as cardio, flexibility training, and functional movements alongside weightlifting to create a well-rounded fitness regimen. Remember, ladies, strength training is not a threat to femininity. It's an opportunity to unlock your full potential. So let go of the fear of bulking up and embrace the countless benefits that lifting weights can bring. Join us in our upcoming videos as we continue to dispel more fitness myths and guide you on your journey toward a stronger, healthier you. Another myth that has been perpetuated is that lifting weights will make women bulky. Ladies, listen up. Weightlifting is not synonymous with bulking up. In reality, strength training can be an incredibly effective tool for weight loss. It helps build lean muscle, which increases your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. So grab those dumbbells and start reaping the benefits. Now, here's a myth that has gained popularity in recent years. Your genetics determine your weight, and there's nothing you can do about it. While it's true that genetics play a role in our predisposition to weight gain, they don't dictate our destiny. Research has shown that lifestyle factors such as diet and physical activity can override certain genetic influences. So don't let your genes be an excuse. you have the power to make positive changes. Our genetic makeup certainly plays a part in determining our body type, metabolic rate, and how we store fat. However, it's essential to remember that genes are not the sole determinant of weight. They interact with our environment and lifestyle choices, creating a complex interplay that ultimately influences our weight and overall health. Through proper nutrition, regular physical activity, and lifestyle modifications, we can positively impact our weight, even if we have a genetic predisposition to gain weight easily. While it may require more effort for some individuals due to their genetic makeup, it's far from impossible to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. It's important to understand that weight management is a multifaceted process. By adopting healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, managing stress, and prioritizing adequate sleep, we can optimize our body's potential for weight loss and overall well-being. Genetics may influence our starting point, but they don't dictate our final destination. Scientific studies have shown that individuals with a higher genetic predisposition to obesity can still achieve significant weight loss and lead a healthy lifestyle. The key lies in finding the right strategies that work for you and being consistent with them. So don't let the myth of genetic determinism discourage you. Instead, let it inspire you to take control of your health and make positive changes. Remember, your genetics provide a blueprint, but it's your choices and actions that shape your destiny. Stay tuned as we explore more evidence-based truths and debunk popular myths to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. In this video, we'll be diving into several more weight loss myths backed by scientific research and expert insights. We'll explore topics like crash diets, spot reduction exercises, and metabolism-boosting food. So click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell if you're fed up with being misled by common weight loss myths. You won't want to miss our upcoming episodes. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the science behind weight loss, we can make informed decisions to achieve our health goals. Together, let's break free from the myths and embrace evidence-based strategies for sustainable weight loss. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next myth-busting session.